Yes, students. Please open page number 15. It is 13, sorry. Page number 13, chapter number 2. So yesterday we have discussed about the sources of various nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and some vitamins also for A, B, C, and D. Okay, we have discussed that the vitamin D is it is a vitamin that our body prepares in the presence of sunlight. Okay, it is not present in the sunlight, but it prepares in the presence of sunlight. Clear? Can anyone tell me how many types of nutrients are there? Major, you can name them. Anyone? Yes, Prisha?
Yes, ma'am. The nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins.
Prisha, listen to the question carefully. I asked about the vitamins, the major groups of vitamins that are present.
Vitamin A, C, D, and ma'am E, K.
Yes, K. Yes, very good. And another one, there is a
मैम डी समथिंग होता है वो
it is
याद नहीं आ रहा.
vitamin B. Yes, it is vitamin B complex. So why it is called so, Sargunpreet? We have discussed yesterday that there is another one also, that is vitamin B complex. Yes.
मैम बिकॉज उसमें B1 to B11 या 12 तक होते हैं विटामिन्स.
Yes, it contains vitamin B1 to B12. Okay, so therefore it is called the vitamin B complex. Very good. So today we will discuss on page number 13. So most food items usually have more than one nutrient. You may have noticed that while recording your observation in table 2.2, however, in a given raw material, one particular nutrient may be present in large quantity than in others. Clear? So in the milk, there is a protein that is present. Okay. So we can, another example is of rice. Rice also contain the more carbohydrates. You can underline. So thus we say that rice is a carbohydrate rich source of food. And at the last of second para, it is given that rice is a carbohydrate rich source of food. Clear? Because in rice, the major nutrient that is present in high amount is carbohydrates. Clear? Now, so we have observed that yesterday we have also done the sources of the various nutrients. So milk is present in milk is called the storehouse of the nutrients also, because it contains vitamin A, proteins, phosphorus also. Clear? And milk contains fats also, because the we obtain the cream and butter from it. Okay, so it means it contains fats. We can also perform protein test for it. Clear? So the next is we will study about dietary fibers. Have you noticed if you have eaten orange, what you have observed that apart from the juice, there are certain fibers are also present. Do you think that fibers are useful for us? You can.
Ma'am, no, these fibers.
Yes, Avni.
Ma'am, yes, they are useful. They help to digest our food properly.
Yes. So the fibers that are present in fruits and vegetables are useful. Okay, so next we will study about the dietary fibers, that is also called roughage. So the foods that contains fibers are called the fibers that are present in food are called dietary fibers. Clear? So the fibers present in food or any fruit also, it is present in vegetables also. Clear? Enough food are called dietary fibers. It is also called as roughage. So these are important for our diet. Here there is no nutrients in it, but it is important. Can anyone tell me any one use that you have remember because you have done this topic in the previous class also? Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, help us to get rid of undigested food.
Tanishka, your voice was breaking. Can you repeat again?
Ma'am, dietary fibers help us to get rid of undigested food.
Yes, so it helps in removing the waste from our body. Clear? So these are not digested in our body, okay, and they provide bulk. Clear? So now we will discuss the main sources of dietary fibers. It mainly contains the plant products. Plant products are the main source. And the example is whole grains. Yes, apple is also. You know, when we chew apple, okay, for some time, then the thing that is left is roughage. Yeah. So it contains the main sources are whole grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables. These are the main sources.
Himani ma'am.
Yes.
Himani ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there any student named Vikram Gupta? विक्रम गुप्ता नाम का भी कोई बच्चा है? मैंने एंटर तो करवाया पर मैंने ये नाम नहीं सुना. विक्रम गुप्ता.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
So potatoes also contain sources, you are right. And the next is our body does not digest it. It cannot digest it. Okay. But it helps in, but it is also an essential component of our food. Clear? इसमें कोई nutrient नहीं है, but still it is very essential. Clear? So now we will do the functions of the dietary fibers that it helps. The first point is it helps in easy digestion. It helps in easy digestion and it keeps us digestive system healthy. Keeps digestive system healthy. Here, and the third point is that it helps in removing the waste product from the body. Here, help in removing waste products. And it also helps in the intestinal movements. That means the that how it is removed from the body. The waste is removed from the body. Clear? So there are movements that are happening in the intestine. So it helps in that also. Clear? And it provides bulk. Clear? And it also help in weight management. ज़्यादा weight क्योंकि इसमें fats भी नहीं है. Clear? So it helps us to regulate the weight also, weight of our body. Clear? And the fifth point is weight management. So these are the functions of dietary fibers. Clear? So students, you can underline it on your notebook also. It is given on page number 13. At the last, underline this last fifth line. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body, but is an essential component of our food and adds to its bulk. Here, this helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Okay, जो digest नहीं हो रहा है, food undigested है, उसमें भी help करता है. Okay, therefore it removes the waste from our body. Clear? The fifth point is clear to you all, that it helps in managing the weight of our body also. And the next is water. The other next component that we will study is water. So our body, can you live without water?
No.
No, we can't.
No.
How many glasses of water you drink in a day?
8 to 8 glasses.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
our,
8 glasses.
our body is made up of
Ma'am, 8
water.
glasses.
Even our blood, that is a fluid, that also contains water. Okay, the water helps in the blood also, because the blood is transported to all the cells of the body. Clear? So it helps in transportation also. So you have to drink 8 to 10 glasses in a day. Clear? And stay hydrated also, because the temperature is high nowadays. And the next is, it is also not a nutrient, but it performs so many actions in our body. Clear? It performs so many functions in our body also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vijay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of bulk?
Bulk means that if
Bulk
you,
means matra.
yes,
Matra.
it means that if the person is suffering from the constipation and it is difficult for the person to remove the waste from our body, so it creates the bulk, so that the person can remove the waste product from the body. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So the next is water that we are discussing. Our body is 70%. The part of the body, the whole, it is 70% constant of our body. Okay, it is not a nutrient. Nutrient नहीं है कोई भी, but it performs so many functions for the body. Clear? And the next, that at least you have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day. So what are the functions now we will discuss? The functions. It helps to regulate the temperature of our body. So the waste products are also removed from our body in the form of urine and sweat. Yes, so the first one you can write, it helps to regulate temperature of our body. And next is transportation of nutrients to all the organs of the body. Transport of nutrients. Transportation of nutrients you can write here ATION. Transportation of nutrients to the various organs of the body. Clear? And it also removes the waste product in the form of urine and sweat. It helps in removing waste products from the body. Clear? And the next is it also fight against constipation that I have told you, and kidney stones. Some persons are suffering from kidney stones. That means जिसको हम पत्थरी बोलते हैं. You have heard about it? Kidney stones.
Yes.
So it is the condition which is very painful. Yeah, so it helps in that also. Clear? And the next is you can underline it on your book also. At the page number 14, it is given top of the page, left side. It also underline the first line and second line. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in throwing out of some waste from the body as urine and sweat. Clear? So from where we get the water we drink? Name some sources from where we get water.
Tube well.
That water is pure to drink.
Lake, river.
But that you can drink.
Well,
You can take a cup of
Ma'am,
water
river.
and you can drink it.
Canal.
For drinking.
Rain.
What I am asking, answer that also. You can take a cup of water from well and you can drink it.
No, it is harmful.
Ma'am, no.
It
It is harmful.
there are so many microorganisms that are present in it, so therefore we can't drink that water. So now purifiers are also there. So that water is fit for drinking also. And the next,
Citrus fruit and vegetables.
yes,
We can get water from citrus fruits and vegetables.
yes. We can also get the water. We get water from fruits and vegetables. Yeah. So next is you can also add one point that it helps in proper digestion. Proper digestion of food. Clear? Now students, I am reading the next lines. Normally we get most of the water that our body needs from the liquids we drink, such as water, milk and tea. Tea is also prepared from water. In addition, we add water to most cooked foods. Let's see if there is any other source which provides water to our body. Now we will do the activity 3. So you just need any type of vegetable. Go and see the refrigerator if there is any lemon, tomato, or anything you have. Please bring it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. You can go and take it.
Ma'am, without headphones, your voice is low and not clear.
Tanishka, you have tomato. You can cut it into half. Cut the vegetable into half. So what do you observe? Water is present, Sargunpreet. It is present in lemon. Anmol.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
But I am speaking so much loudly. Cut it
Ma'am,
into
without
half.
headphones,
Yes.
your voice is low.
So what you will take? You will take a tomato or any fruit like lemon, okay, and cut it into small piece. Anmol,
Ma'am, there.
do your
Ma'am,
hands get wet while doing so?
yes, ma'am. There is water on my hands.
Yes, we can.
Ma'am, water is there.
Yes. Sargunpreet. Avni is also doing. Manyata, cut it into half. You can
Ma'am,
use
without
these
headphones, your
vegetable
voice
in
is
the
low.
lunch also for preparing food.
Ma'am, without headphone, your voice is low.
Students, from my side, it is the network is it's stable. Okay, there must be problem.
Ma'am,
from your side.
Slow.
ma'am, your voice is low. Audible है but low है.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, low है ma'am आपकी voice.
Okay,
Voice is low.
okay, students. So, what you have observed that your hands get wet while doing so. So carefully observe whenever vegetables and fruits are being cut. Can you? All the fruits and vegetables contain water.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am, no.
No.
ma'am,
Ma'am, no.
kakadi.
There is any plant that can.
Ma'am, no.
There is any vegetable plant that can grow without water.
Ma'am, no.
So
No.
plants,
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am, no.
plants require water. So it means that the water is present in the fruits also and all the vegetable. It may vary in the amount, that it is high in amount or low in amount, but it is present. Clear?
मैम
Yes.
मैम जैसे कि मैम ककड़ी होती है मैम उसमें तो मैम वाटर होता है जो मैम अपनी बॉडी को डिहाइड्रेट होने से बचाता है तो मैम
Yes.
वो ग्रो कर सकते हैं
It grow in the soil. It requires water. All the plants and all the vegetables require water.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम कैक्टस को हम लोग पानी नहीं देते हैं आई थिंक सो.
So there is no vegetable. It is not a vegetable. We don't get any vegetable from it. Okay. Yes. So
कैक्टस तो प्लांट होता
but it does not give any vegetable. Bache, we don't get any vegetable from it or any fruit. Do you find any fresh vegetables or fruit that do not contain some amount of water? All the fresh vegetables contain water. Clear? And we see that many food materials themselves contain water. To some extent, our body needs are met by this water. So you have all observed that while cooking food also, we add water. Okay, while preparing dal or any vegetable, we add water into it. Clear? So it is a
मैम फॉर
necessity.
प्रिपेयरिंग राइस
Yes, it is added. Water is required for it. What we do in the rice while preparing rice, if there are 2 glasses of rice, then we add double water into it. Clear? So water is required for the preparation of rice also. So it is clear to you all? Students, I am pasting Google form. Please mark your attendance.